Hi guys, today we will ask Kathleen one question. What affects the interest rate? Because lots of people think like, well, they're asking like, what's the interest rate? Well, it depends. Depends on your situation and on the type of mortgage you take, right?
Exactly. So I get asked that question all the time. Well, what is your interest rate? It depends on so many things. One of the major things is what kind of mortgage loan are we talking about? Is it FHA, conventional, government-sponsored product, non-QM mortgages, which are totally different. And so each of these types of mortgage loans have different requirements too. So let's talk kind of about down payment. Some mortgages allow you to do zero down, which would be usually VA. FHA would be 3.5%, conventional 3% for first-time home buyers, and a lot of the non-QM options are at least 20% down payment. So first of all, we have to find out which mortgage loan works for you. So the product affects the interest rate. Also, how much money are you putting down, right, for which program? Of course, the overall market conditions, like how is the economy, how is real estate going, how healthy is the industry, that affects it a whole lot. Inflation affects some mortgage interest rates a lot as well. That's why, like for conventional and the government-sponsored mortgages, we see a slight decline right now because inflation is good. Like it's stabilized, it's going down, so that's good. But it might not necessarily affect non-QM mortgages, which are like a special type of mortgage loan. Another thing, your credit score, which I'm sure that's no surprise. But then again, also, what is your credit score? It also matters which mortgage loan you're doing, once again. So just because you have an 850, you're not gonna get the same interest rate, like say you apply for a conventional mortgage versus a non-QM mortgage. The non-QM is always gonna be higher, but it's also other requirements as well. So just because you have an 850, you're not gonna get the lowest interest rate possible because there's so many other things going around that interest rate that you're getting. Another thing is savings, what kind of assets you have, that matters a lot. What is your ability to repay? Like how safe of a borrower are you? And that's what really comes down to when it comes to interest rate, because the bank is taking risk on you. And there's all these algorithms that go into every single mortgage loan, to every single application, and every application is different. And so the lender assesses with these algorithms, whatever automated underwriting they're using, that's how they get an interest rate for you.
So basically, the point is, more riskier mortgage you take, more interest rate you pay, and that's true everywhere in life. You pay for everything, so there is no free lunch for us, unfortunately. So if you get something, you pay in return.
Yeah.
So anyhow, if you have any questions regarding any mortgage programs or mortgage rates, please contact Caitlin
at 702-682-6460.
And when you talk to her and figure out how much housing you can afford, please come to me and I will show you any house you want in Las Vegas area and get you through the whole process of purchasing your dream home. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.